Honda Pilot here. Pretty bad. We do these Honda Pilots all the time, a couple a week. Sunburn tops, cloudy, hazy fronts. Driver's side and passenger side look the same. They're really, really bad. Wait till you see the transformation when we get to the next slide. However, BrowardHeadlightRestoration.com. We do mobile service to you, your home, your office, work. Here, look at this. Day it rolled off the showroom floor. Look at that. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. We are mobile. We go to Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Call or text, or even text us your pictures, and we'll get back to you. 754-302-0769. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.